Hello everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to delete and uninstall Valorant from your laptop. So first you are going to click here in the search bar and you are going to search for Riot Client, and then you are going to click on the option Open File Location. You just click here and then you are going to select the first option, then you just right click on it, and as you can see here there is the Open File Location again. You just click here and as you can see there is all the folders here. You just click here on Riot Games and you are going to delete this folder and also delete this folder, and after you finish those two steps you are going to click here and you are going to type control panel. You are just coming here, you choose programs, then you choose programs and features, and here you are going to delete three things. The first one is Valorant. You are going to right click on it and choose uninstall. Then you are going to choose Riot Client and you are going to delete uninstall Riot Client and Riot Vanguard, the three of them. And that's it. Just like this you can uninstall Valorant from your laptop. And if you face any error, just make sure to close Valorant or Riot game from your background. So you just click in this arrow, and if you find it here, you just, for example like this one, you just right click on it and you choose exit, and that's it. Thank you for watching. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and like the video.